Hello friends, and welcome to Empowering Tidbits. Today, we're diving into the world of extraordinary ingredients that have left an indelible mark on the world of cuisine. From unique flavors to intriguing origins, these culinary curiosities are bound to pique your interest. So, let's embark on this flavorful journey together. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our delectable explorations. First up, we have the durian, often hailed as the king of fruits. Its reputation precedes it, not just for its rich, custard-like texture and unique taste, but also for its strong aroma. In fact, this distinctive smell has led to its banning in some hotels and public transportation systems. The love-hate relationship with this fruit is as complex as its flavor profile. Moving on, let's explore saffron, the world's most precious spice. Derived from the stigma of the saffron crocus flower, this golden-hued ingredient imparts a distinct and luxurious flavor to dishes. What makes it even more special is the sheer effort it takes to harvest. It requires thousands of these delicate flowers to produce just a small amount of this culinary treasure. Now, let's talk about our favorite morning companion, coffee. Did you know that its discovery has an amusing backstory? It all began when observant farmers noticed goats becoming unusually lively after munching on coffee cherries. This revelation led to the cultivation of coffee plants for human consumption, forever changing the world's beverage habits. Our next stop brings us to Japan, where the delicacy known as fugu takes center stage. This unique dish is prepared from pufferfish, a creature that carries a potent toxin in its organs. Eating improperly prepared fugu can be deadly, which is why only specially trained chefs are allowed to handle this culinary masterpiece. Cheese lovers, you're in for a treat. Ever heard of mimolette? This cheese variety takes a truly unconventional approach to flavor enhancement. It intentionally cultivates mites to infuse the cheese with a distinctive texture and taste. It's a testament to the creative lengths chefs will go to for an extraordinary dining experience. Now, let's talk about kopi luwak, a coffee with an intriguing production process. The beans of this brew are eaten and excreted by civet cats. After careful collection, cleaning, and roasting, what remains is a coffee with a flavor profile unlike any other. It's a prime example of how unexpected methods can yield exceptional results in the culinary world. Springtime brings us a unique delicacy, fiddlehead ferns. These tightly coiled fronds are foraged and celebrated in various cuisines. Their seasonal availability and distinctive appearance make them a coveted ingredient for chefs seeking to add a touch of nature's elegance to their dishes. Let's spice things up a bit with Szechuan peppercorns. Contrary to what you might think, these are not true peppercorns. They're actually dried berries from the prickly ash tree. Known for their numbing sensation, these peppercorns add a unique and exciting dimension to dishes, creating a culinary experience like no other. From the coastal regions comes a culinary gem, silicornia, also known as sea beans or samphire. This coastal plant is naturally salty and imparts a distinctive briny flavor to dishes. It's a testament to how nature provides us with unexpected flavors, waiting to be explored by adventurous palates. Our journey concludes with truffles, the highly sought-after fungi that have captivated chefs and gourmands for centuries. Their elusive nature requires the assistance of trained dogs or pigs to unearth them from the earth. The rich, earthy flavor they bring to dishes is a testament to the hidden treasures nature holds beneath the surface. And there you have it, a tantalizing journey through some of the most extraordinary culinary curiosities. Each of these ingredients brings its own unique story and flavor to the world of cuisine. Which one intrigued you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the culinary world.